let's look at reteaching 9-4, the B side of your paper. We're going to do question 3 and 4. So you draw 2 marbles randomly without replacing the first marble. Find each probability. So this without replacing means that when you take one out and don't put it back, you've changed what's available for that second pick. So that makes this a pair of dependent events. Because what can happen second depends on what has happened first. So when you look at problem 3 and we want to know the probability of getting 2 blue marbles from this bag, we're going to first find the probability of getting that first blue marble. So in that bag to start with, we have 4 blue marbles and 10 total marbles. Then we're saying we're not replacing what we've picked first. So we're going to assume we picked what we wanted, which was a blue, and we're going to keep it out of there. So I'm going to X it out. Now we want to find the probability of getting our second blue. So the way we write that is getting a blue after we've already taken out a blue. So the probability of getting a blue now is only 3 out of 9 because we've taken out 1 blue marble, leaving us with 3. And since we took out a marble, that leaves us with only 9 in there. Then you're going to multiply your numerators and your denominators. And when you simplify, you're going to get an answer of 2/15. And you'll notice that this answer is different from problem 3 on the front of your worksheet because of that dependent probability situation. Now let's look at number 4. Again, this is very similar to problem 4 on the front, except for one little part of the directions. So you draw 2 letters randomly from a box containing the letters in the word Missouri. Suppose you do not replace the first letter before drawing the second one. So this is key. You do not replace. So we're going to find the probability of getting an M on our first pick. If you look at the word Missouri, there are 8 letters in there. One of them is an M. So on our first pick, we have a 1 in 8 chance of getting that M that we wanted. Now we're going to take that M out of there because it says we do not replace it. Once we've gotten it, we keep it out. So now we're going to multiply that by the probability of getting an I after we've taken out that M. So we write that as the probability of I after M. So now our chance of getting an I, if you look at the letters remaining, there are 2 I's, but there's only 7 letters. So we're going to do 2/7 for that chance. Now you multiply your numerators. 1 times 2 is 2. Multiply your denominators. That's going to give you 56. And then simplify your answer, and you're going to get 1 out of 28. So you have a 1 in 28 chance of getting an M followed by an I, which is different from what happened on the front of your worksheet.